Summer is almost here, and that means barbecue season is in full swing. For many of us, there's nothing quite like the smell of grilled food and the joy of gathering with friends and family. But if you have diabetes, navigating these social gatherings can be a bit tricky. The high-carb side dishes, sugary drinks, and savory meats can all contribute to blood sugar spikes, making it seem like a barbecue is more stress than it's worth. However, there's a simple, natural way to help manage your blood sugar levels and still enjoy the festivities. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Specifically, green tea is a powerful ally for those with diabetes, offering a host of benefits that can help you manage your condition more effectively. Green tea has a long history of being used for medicinal purposes. Its origins trace back to ancient China and Japan, where it was prized for its health benefits. Modern research confirms what these ancient cultures knew. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have a range of health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood sugar levels. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of green tea was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Another study, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, demonstrated that green tea can help regulate glucose levels and reduce inflammation. So, how does green tea work its magic? The primary compounds in green tea, such as epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, have been shown to enhance the body's metabolic rate and improve the function of insulin. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to insulin resistance. By improving insulin sensitivity, green tea helps the body use glucose more efficiently, preventing the sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can occur after meals. In addition to its effects on blood sugar, green tea offers other health benefits that are particularly relevant for individuals with diabetes. For instance, it can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol, which is crucial for cardiovascular health. This is especially important because people with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing heart disease. Moreover, green tea has been found to aid in weight management, another critical factor in diabetes control. By boosting metabolism and promoting fat oxidation, green tea can help with weight loss or maintenance, which in turn can improve blood sugar control. Incorporating green tea into your routine is simple and enjoyable. Drinking a cup of green tea about 30 minutes before your barbecue meal can help prepare your body to handle the upcoming influx of food. You can enjoy it hot or iced, depending on your preference and the weather. To prepare a refreshing iced green tea, simply brew a pot of green tea, let it cool, and then pour it over ice. You can add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves for extra flavor. If you're looking to enhance the benefits of green tea even further, consider adding a splash of apple cider vinegar, or ACV. ACV has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great addition to your pre-barbecue drink. Simply add a teaspoon of ACV to your green tea before drinking. This combination not only enhances the health benefits, but also creates a unique tangy flavor. But green tea isn't the only herbal tea that can help manage blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea, for example, is another excellent option. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, much like green tea. To make cinnamon tea, simply steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, or use a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This warm, aromatic tea can be a comforting and beneficial drink before your barbecue. Another great option is fenugreek tea. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber, which can help manage blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. This results in a more gradual rise in blood sugar after eating. To make fenugreek tea, soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in hot water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Hibiscus tea is yet another herbal tea that can benefit those with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants and with a tart cranberry-like flavor, hibiscus tea has been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. These cardiovascular benefits are particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as they are at higher risk for heart-related issues. To prepare hibiscus tea, steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This vibrant red tea can be enjoyed hot or iced and makes for a refreshing pre-barbecue drink. When preparing for a barbecue, it's also beneficial to focus on the types of food you'll be eating. Lean proteins like grilled chicken, fish, and turkey burgers can be better choices than fatty cuts of meat. Incorporating plenty of vegetables into your meal, such as grilled veggies or a fresh salad, can provide fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Opting for whole grain buns instead of white bread and being mindful of portion sizes can also make a big difference. It's essential to enjoy your barbecue without feeling deprived. By incorporating herbal teas like green tea, cinnamon tea, fenugreek tea, or hibiscus tea into your routine, you can help manage your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of post-meal spikes. These teas not only provide health benefits, but also offer a flavorful way to enhance your barbecue experience. So, the next time you're gearing up for a barbecue, remember to brew a cup of your favorite herbal tea beforehand. Not only will it help you manage your blood sugar levels, but it will also set the stage for a more enjoyable and worry-free meal. With these simple strategies, you can savor the flavors of summer while keeping your diabetes under control. Cheers to a healthy and delicious barbecue season! Now, here's the best part. A special recipe for a green tea blend that's perfect for your pre-barbecue ritual. This blend combines the benefits of green tea with other diabetes-friendly ingredients, making it a powerful drink to help you manage your blood sugar levels effectively. Green tea and cinnamon elixir. 1 teaspoon of high-quality green tea leaves or 1 green tea bag. 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup of hot water, a slice of lemon, optional, a few fresh mint leaves, optional. Instructions. Brew the green tea by steeping the tea leaves or tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the cinnamon stick or ground cinnamon to the hot water and let it steep for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the tea and cinnamon have steeped, remove the tea leaves or tea bag and the cinnamon stick. Stir in the apple cider vinegar. If desired, add a slice of lemon and a few fresh mint leaves for extra flavor. Allow the tea to cool to your preferred temperature and enjoy it about 30 minutes before your barbecue meal. This green tea and cinnamon elixir not only tastes great, but also harnesses the combined power of green tea, cinnamon, and apple cider vinegar to help you manage your blood sugar levels. By making this simple, delicious drink a part of your pre-barbecue routine, you can enjoy all the pleasures of the grill while keeping your health in check. So go ahead, light up the grill and savor your summer barbecues with confidence and peace of mind.